Hello everyone, I'm back with work from home opportunity. This opportunity is coming from Indiamart. So Indiamart is hiring for work from home for the post of tele associate. So any graduate or postgraduate student can easily apply for this application. So we will see each and everything in detail. So watch the video till the end. So the post name is tele associate and the salary you can expect is about 10,000 per day. It means you will be earning about 30,000 per month. So they have a weekly payout option. So 0 to 5 year of experience candidate can easily apply for this application. It means if you are a fresher, so you can easily apply for this application. And the batches that can apply for this application is 2023 and below batch can easily apply. So this is completely work from home. So let's discuss. You have to work on your own schedule, so there is no timings for that. So whenever you are free, you have to give 3 to 4 hours to work on this particular domain. So this is a voice based calling process and data entry job. So if you are comfortable with both Hindi and English, then definitely you should go with it. The requirement is you should have a computer with an internet. Means if you have a laptop or PC with a good internet speed, then you can easily apply for this application. And please note that this is not a sales profile. So this is completely a non-sale profile. Talking about the eligibility criteria, so any graduate or any postgraduate from any stream can easily apply. So the skill requirement is you should have a good communication skills and you should be an active listener. So how you can apply? Just click on apply here. I'll put the link in the description as well as in the comment section. From there you can easily apply. So once you click on apply here, you will be redirected to the official website of Indiamart. Here just click on apply. Now upload your resume, fill in your name, your city, email ID, phone number, and just click on continue. So in the work experience you can type 0, and for other thing NA, not applicable 0. Fill up your education detail and click on submit. Okay, so here you can see thank you for submitting your application. So application is submitted. You will receive a mail within a minute, or it may take an hour as well. Okay, here like this you will receive a mail. So if your resume gets shortlisted, then they will mail you further details. So right now they have just given the confirmation mail that they have received the my application. Okay, and if you face any difficulties, you can comment it below, or you can message me on Instagram, that is job for freshers. And do not forget to join our Telegram group for daily job update, as well as we share many work from home opportunities like here you can see. So do not forget to join our Telegram group. I will put the link in the description. From there you can easily join. And we have also created a WhatsApp group. If you are not using Telegram, then you can join our WhatsApp group as well. I'll put the link for Telegram as well as WhatsApp in the description as well as in the comment section. From there you can easily join. So I hope you find this job video useful. If you find this useful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video, share this video with your friends, and I will be back with tons of updates. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.